Hey guys, Alex Mazukin here from Mr. Build It. Well, as you can see, this kid's outdoor picnic table has passed the ultimate toddler test. In fact, we could say it's kid approved. So if you want to see how I built it, let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. Let's go. Alrighty, I have an idea for this table. Let me show you how I want to plan it out. Come with me. Okay, so let me show you the design. Okay, so what I'm thinking is this is the side profile of the table. This is the tabletop. We're going to do these cool X's that are going to be made up of 2x4s, and then it's going to be reinforced into like a double stack of 2x4s, one facing each other. They're going to pinch it off. That's going to be the side profile. Then it's going to have two 2x4s kind of coming up like that, and then they're going to have a bench on top here, and that's going to go lengthways. Hey, that actually turned out not too bad. I don't know how to do. I'm going to screw this up. Now, I've built this table before. This is not an original design. I've seen this like on Pinterest, and a couple of guys did it on Instagram as well. Actually, avoid that. That's not a real thing. My issue that I've had before when I built it, this table swayed back and forth, and I'm guessing it's because it didn't have a reinforcement here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinforce it with another 2x4 going from this X to that X, and hopefully that should reinforce it enough. If that won't do the trick, I'll put another one between these legs, and that should definitely do it. So that's what we're going to work on. So let's go. Using like redneck ingenuity, I guess. I wish I paid attention in math a little bit more often. So we're basically just cutting everything to the rough sizes. Keep in mind, the X's are gonna be like 45 degrees away from each other. And so I'm cutting these to like 25. The overall tabletop is gonna be like 18, 19. So I'm gonna cut these to rough dimensions before I put miters. Keep in mind, it's gonna be tall this way, but then it's gonna get shorter, so. All right, let's find out the 45s on these things. See, what I was doing is I was creating these little rabbit cuts, and now we're just gonna take a quick little hammer. This is my favorite part. Look at that. By the way, you can do this with a skill saw and just a speed square. And then these last parts you can clean up with a chisel. I'm just gonna half lap them, boom. There they are. Now they're not as friction tight as I would like them to be, but they're not super loose, so there's not too many gaps. Like, that's not bad. A little bit of wood glue, a little bit of screws will do it. So I'm just aligning them so they're, you know, straight-ish. We're gonna use our little speed square there, and we're just gonna put a 45 in it. So we're gonna go from here, over, from here, over, and then likewise right there, corner to corner. The old corner to corner. I gotta sneeze, hold on. Okay, I lost it. Back to our scheduled programming. Okay, now I know glue ups they get messy, and I got this really nice welding table from the folks at Certiflat Weld Tables. So I used this little rubber mat that I jimmy rigged. I think it used to be a truck bed liner kind of cover. But now it's a glue cover up for my table. We're gonna take these bad boys, we get some clamps and some wood glue, and get her done. All right, so the hard part's seriously just done. We're still gonna start working on the bottom reinforcements. The bottom is gonna be about 44 inches long. We're gonna create 4 cuts of that, and then the top is gonna be about 21 inches long. We're gonna create 4 cuts as well. So let's throw them on the miter saw. chop them all up and get to going, man. All right, minor correction. Remember when I said we're gonna do 2 of the 44 on each side, so we're gonna do 4 cuts and then 4 cuts of the 21 inch? Yeah, scratch the 21 inch. Keep the 21 inch, but I'm only gonna need 2. And the reason why, originally I was thinking we're gonna stack it like this, but why? It's a waste. I mean, it's not gonna make aesthetically anything more appealing. So instead, we're just gonna use 1. We're gonna screw it in from, we're gonna screw it in from the top, just like that, and then on top of that, we're actually gonna use this to attach to the tabletop. So that just makes so much more sense. All right, 1 more to go. All right, now we can do the top. One side is done, 1 more to go. Ooh. Hey, check it out, we got 2, magic. So for the benches of the seats, we're just gonna use all these like offcuts, cutoffs, offcuts, scraps, whatever. The idea is gonna be very basic. They're basically gonna be like this, and then we're gonna have a reinforcement piece on both sides, and then the board's running across for the kids to sit on. These are gonna get chopped down to, let's do what, 11 inches. And then we'll put a reinforcement piece and then put another 1.5 inches, which is a 2x4 on top. Miter saw station, folks. In case you're wondering what this little gizmo is, it's a piece of 1x2, 1x3 steel. I just clamped it over there to have repeatable cuts. That's just a little stop block. Pro tip. You're welcome. All right, so these are gonna be the reinforcements underneath each bench leg. I figured it would be kind of appealing if we put like a 30-degree angle on everything. So instead of going back and forth with the camera to the miter saw, let's see if we can do this a little bit of magic. Let's see if we can take these and speed up the process. There, that's much better. We gotta cut corners somehow, we gotta save time. All right, now that we Harry Pottered this thing, let me show you how I wanna attach the legs. This is the boring part at this point. I'm gonna cut up all the tops of the benches and the tabletops on the miter station. They're all gonna be like 48 inches long, so it's just gonna be a bunch of repeating cuts. Kick back, enjoy the music. I hope we'll get done really fast. Well, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet already. I put videos out every single Friday and I don't want you to miss a single one. My shop was a mess, so we're gonna tune out this week. We'll see you guys next week. See ya.